This is what Bugatti's new V16 engine sounds like. According to reports, this new engine, developed in collaboration with Cosworth, will have a displacement of 8.3 liters and will be able to reach a staggering 9,000 revolutions per minute. Yes, you heard that right. In addition, the engine is expected to generate almost 1,000 horsepower on its own, with total hybrid power that could be around 2,000 horsepower. In addition to stunning performance, the new Bugatti promises an innovative and aerodynamic design, with features such as the iconic Bugatti horseshoe grille and a distinctive beltline. And we can't forget that this will be the last Bugatti designed by creative genius Achim Onscheidt.